Most people get CRM tools wrong. They either pick one that's too complex or waste money on features they don't need. Today, I'm giving you an honest review of Aptivo CRM so you know exactly what to expect before signing up. Aptivo is a cloud-based CRM designed for small and medium businesses. It focuses on managing leads, contacts, projects, and invoices all in one platform. Most people get this wrong by assuming a CRM only handles sales. I'll quickly see that Aptivo goes beyond basic customer management. The setup process is straightforward. You start by importing contacts from spreadsheets for email systems. Then, you can customize modules such as sales pipelines, project tracking, or task management. One surprising feature is how flexible the dashboards are. You can tailor views to your team's workflow, which is great if different departments have different needs. In my experience, lead and pipeline management works well. You can automate follow-ups, set reminders, and track customer interactions from a single interface. This is key for businesses where missed opportunities can cost thousands. Most people get this wrong by relying on spreadsheets. They are messy and don't give real-time insights. Aptivo also offers invoicing and project management within the same platform, which can save time switching between multiple apps. However, the interface can feel overwhelming at first because there are many modules. A learning curve exists, but once you understand it, the efficiency gains are noticeable. Pricing is tiered, starting with a free plan for small teams and scales up with more features. Most people get this wrong by thinking free plans are useless, but Aptivo's basic plan is functional for testing and small operations. In conclusion, Aptivo CRM is a solid choice for small to medium businesses that want an all-in-one solution for sales, projects, and invoicing. Most people get this wrong by underestimating the value of integrated features. It can streamline work and save money over time. Subscribe for more honest software reviews so you can make smarter business decisions without wasting time or money.